Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply turn off SafeSearch on your Google search. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Google. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Google. The next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon from the top. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on SafeSearch. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. That's simple. Search save is now off. So all relevant results, even if they are this, it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn off SafeSearch on your Google search on your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.